Looking for lightning-fast internet speeds and ultra-stable connections? You've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best Cat 8 Ethernet cables that will supercharge your setup. No more buffering or lag, just pure, uninterrupted performance. Stick around and check the links in the description for the best deals. At number 5 is Dacrown 50 feet. If you're tired of lag and slow internet speeds, the Dacrown Cat 8 50 feet Ethernet cable might just be the upgrade you need. Capable of supporting 25 gigabase T and 40 gigabase T networks, this cable delivers lightning-fast speeds and high bandwidth with ease. The gold-plated connectors and durable construction ensure a stable connection across all devices, from gaming consoles to laptops. Unlike older cables, this Cat 8 offers incredible reliability for heavy-duty use, even in outdoor environments. While it's pricier than Cat 6 or 7, the performance boost is undeniable. For anyone serious about speed, this cable is a game changer. At number 4 is BUSOHE 25 feet. The BUSOHE Cat 8 25 feet Ethernet cable takes your internet experience to the next level. With blazing speeds up to 40 gigabyte per second and a bandwidth of 2000 megahertz, it ensures smooth, lag-free gaming and streaming. The gold-plated RJ45 connectors guarantee a stable, fast connection, while its multi-layer shielding blocks interference, making it ideal for heavy-duty data transmission. The braided cotton jacket adds durability, and its weather resistance means it thrives both indoors and outdoors. Unlike older cables, it's built to last, even with 20,000 plug or unplug cycles. If you're tired of slow speeds and unreliable connections, this is your solution. On number 3 is Ximhun RJ45. The Ximhun RJ45 Cat 8 Ethernet cable isn't just fast, it's a game changer. With speeds up to 40 gigabytes per second and a massive 2000 megahertz bandwidth, it's the upgrade your setup desperately needs. No more buffering during crucial moments in online gaming or streaming your favorite movies. The flat braided design is not only tough, but also tangle-free, making setup a breeze. Its durability withstands even extreme weather and heavy-duty use. What's more, it's compatible with all previous cable generations, ensuring seamless integration with your existing tech. If you're tired of lagging or slow speeds, this cable is the solution you've been waiting for. At number 2 is UGREEN 15 feet. If you're tired of slow internet speeds and constant buffering, the UGREEN 15 feet Cat 8 Ethernet cable will change your digital life. With a mind-blowing 40 gigabyte per second transfer speed and 2000 megahertz bandwidth, streaming and gaming will never be the same. Say goodbye to lag and interference thanks to its advanced shielding and pure copper core. The cotton braided design ensures it's tough enough to handle heavy daily use, withstanding over 10,000 bends. It's also PoE supported, making your setup even more efficient. Whether you're gaming or working, this cable guarantees lightning-fast, stable connections every time. Now moving to the last one is Vabogu Cable. Imagine streaming 4K videos or gaming with zero lag, all thanks to the Vabogu Cat 8 Ethernet cable. Boasting an incredible 40 gigabyte per second data transfer rate and 2000 megahertz bandwidth, this cable takes your internet experience to the next level. Whether you're working from home or tackling heavy-duty gaming, this cable delivers ultra-fast speeds and unmatched reliability. What really sets it apart is its weatherproof, UV-resistant build, perfect for outdoor setups. Plus, its 26 AWG design ensures minimal signal interference. From gaming consoles to smart devices, the Cat 8 Ethernet cable guarantees smooth, uninterrupted connectivity. Why settle for less when you can upgrade to hyperspeed? If you're looking for a cable that's as durable as it is fast, the BUSOHE 25 feet Ethernet cable is a solid choice. With its high-speed data transfer and excellent interference resistance, it's perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. The weatherproof and flexible design ensures reliability in all conditions, so you never have to worry about signal loss or connectivity issues. Plus, it's compatible with all your devices, from gaming consoles to laptops. Explore my channel for more detailed reviews of top tech gear like this. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 best Cat 8 Ethernet cable. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.